Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you guys being back with me. So today is the Monday and the April 15th. I'm doing a market recap of today's action. Today I couldn't, I was focusing on futures again. So there was no Forex trades on my side. But relatively speaking, the Forex market, the pound Aussie that I usually trade, it went relatively sideways. It did come down for about 40 pips, and it's just been going choppy sideways from then. So usually I mention there's a pivot area in this time period if you're in my Fiverr program. So you would have been able to capture some of these pips that were today. In any case, on the future side, there was a lot of choppiness, and the markets have been making new highs on the the Emini S&Ps, and the S&P 500 index. So what's going on is that if I go to my live account, I had two trades. I faded this move right here at this level. This is a Fibonacci level based on previous night's highs and lows. And so I faded this move initially, but the price went against me for about 1.5 moves, 1.5 points, which is about, if I'm not mistaken, six ticks. And then so I had about a $75 losing trade. And then what happened was, you'll see in the highlights, I got back into the trade. There was a strong bullish momentum here, because essentially price had the 9:30 morning open had pushed price down to these new lows for the day, and then it formed a cup and handle formation here. And then usually when it comes down this aggressively, the move up can also be pretty vicious. So that's exactly what happened. I caught a move later in the afternoon, right up till the close, near the close. You'll see for about, I believe it was 2.5 points, if I'm not mistaken. So I recouped the initial trade's loss plus $75 in gross profit. So we're good for the day. We're green, and this way we've ended the day well. And so these lines you see here, that's value area high, volume point of control, and this is value area low. And essentially price came down to value area low. It found some support here. Then usually when volume point of control is further away, then it will just retrace back to volume point of control. And so that's exactly what happened as well. It went, and near the close it got up to the volume point of control. And since then, right now it's 7 o'clock, so we're 3 hours past the 4 p.m. close of the New York session, and price has just been going choppy sideways near this today's volume point of control. So essentially that's about it. So as I said, we netted about $75 gross profit. Almost recouped all my losses from last week, which was about $100. So we're good for that. I might even take out about $100 for the month to pay myself, which is also key when you're in profit, and you know that your track record is good as far as recouping losses, it's always good to pay yourself, so that you're motivated to keep trading regardless of the ups and downs. So I may pay myself maybe about $100, take out $100. So that's about it today. Tonight's Asian session, it's usually starting now. I start looking at things right now, and then if I can get a trade in, I would be able to get a trade in. If not, then I'll probably try to get a trade in tomorrow, and we'll see what happens then. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys being here, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers. Bye.